Hi, today I'm going to unbox the new DJI Osmo Action 6. It just arrived, so let's just begin. This one opens differently than the previous packaging of the Action 3 that I have. Okay. That's the camera. What do we have here? A must-have app for DJI users. Okay. Some stickers. Interesting stickers. DJI sticker. Okay. And in there, I guess there are the accessories. Okay. What's this? Oh, that's the battery. That's the magnetic holder. The USB-C cable. And some silica gel. Okay. Oh, here is the Action 6. Looks pretty nice. Okay. Here's the USB-C port. Okay. Another silica gel pack that does not want to come out. That's really good in there. Wait a second. Got it. Now we need the battery. Okay. Lithium ion rechargeable battery, 1950 milliamp hours. Okay, looks good. I think it's the same as in the previous one, the Action 5 and the Action 4, as far as I know. Okay. Perfect. Let's turn it on. Okay. It's vertical. Let's go with English. Okay, what? Skip 5 times remaining device name, scan code or download app. Okay, let's do that later. Connect to DJI MIMO, update to latest firmware version. Okay, confirm. Quick start guide. Shutter record button. Yeah, press once, take photo or record. Press and hold, enable snapshot when camera is powered off. Quick switch button. This one, yeah. It's working in landscape as well. Okay, press once, switch between modes, mark highlights or return to camera view. Press and hold, power on or off. Okay. Covers, clean and close covers to fully protect camera from water. Battery and storage. Okay. Screen gestures. Perfect. Okay, what do we have here? Tap to preview videos. Tap to adjust image parameters. Okay, the variable aperture. Stabilization scenario. The Pro mode with the different color modes. Okay. Tap to set stabilization mode and field of view. Okay, got it. Tap to enable pre-record. There we have all the different resolutions. Oh no, 8K yet. So I need to update the firmware first. Okay. Internal storage of 50 gigabytes and no SD card for the moment. Okay. Perfect. There, you see me. Looks good. So what I want to do now is to apply the screen protectors. So I guess that's the one for the front display. Let's put that there, and then we need the one for the large back display. Perfect. Okie dokie. Then we need some wet wipes. Okie dokie. Wet wipes, dry towel. Looks good. Perfect. Let's just clean it. This one is the wet wipe. Okay. Come here. Yeah, looks pretty good, I would say. And now the front display. You need to be aware of the different orientation. So it's not a square. Okay, just some bubbles in there. They will disappear after some time, and after some force and some time. And this kit also contains the lens protection, but I'm not sure. I don't think I will apply this one because I fear that it will reduce the image quality. So I won't do that for now. If I want to do that later, I can still do it. There are 3 in there in this package. And yeah, that was it basically. I mean, this one, we can also look at this one. This is the new magnetic holder. I read that this is now works in both directions. Okay, perfect. That's a nice upgrade. Looks really good. Okay, this one I don't really need for the moment, so I will put it back in there if I manage to. I can close it again. The cable I also don't need. This I don't need. That I don't need. So I will stuff it back in there. No, that wasn't the right order. So this and that, and then the battery thing. I just want to keep these things. I don't throw it away. So when I decide to sell it in the future, I have all the stuff and I can really package it as it was when new. So that's it for today. I hope you liked my little unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 6, and I wish you a nice day. See you soon. Bye.